Hello crafty friends, in today's DIY I'm going to show you how I make three-dimensional flowers. These three-dimensional flowers are perfect for wall decor, for your dolls, and also for card making. You could probably make a whole bunch of projects with these beautiful flowers. So today I'm going to show you how I make them. Now you can hand cut your flowers, but I prefer to use dies. This is the flower number 1 of a Sizzix die, and this is flower layers number 3. The next die are daisies. Now I scored these dies at a garage sale, so I was very fortunate. They're pretty much the old dies, but I figured I could put them to good use. I have now cut my flowers using my dies. I am using a 2mm foam sheet. And of course you can layer your flowers as well. I'm going to place 2 flowers on the iron board. I like to do 2 at a time. If they're small, if they're big, I will do 1 at a time. I will remove the center. So once you place on the iron board, make sure you protect your foam sheet with a piece of fabric. And your iron is going to be in a cotton setting. In this step, you will do a very quick iron. I'm saying about 1 to 3 seconds. Once the flower starts to give that little curl up, you will stop. You will turn it over and just do a gentle tap. And the flower now has a dimension. And now I'm going to repeat the same exact process with the large flower. In this step, I decided to change the center of the flower just to add that punch of color. Now look at all the flowers that I have created. Tell me what you think below. Do you like them? And what can you use them for? Now for the large daisies, I did cut a circle with my circle punch. And I ironed the circle and I glued it onto the center. I also offer these flowers in my Etsy shop, so you could check those out as well. Well, thanks for spending your time with me, and until next time, God bless. Bye!